Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 7, add a voting poll. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we can start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. In this case, now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on All Applications, All Apps. Scroll to the bottom, explore all your applications. Now navigate to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. And the purpose of this tutorial is to add a voting poll, so individuals in your company are then able to vote, make a decision once you come to a conclusion. And so we can go to My Communities, All Company. Let's share thoughts, ideas, or updates via a voting poll. The question will be, if we just zoom in for the moment, how many videos from the YouTube channel Computer Science Videos do you watch a day? Answer 1, 10, answer 2, 20, answer 3, 100. We can add more answers if required to, but let's just keep it short and snappy for the moment. Now let's click on Ask, and this will now be posted within All Company. If we now minimize Google Chrome for the moment, now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari, right click, reload the page, and the voting poll should pop up on screen. So let's just answer this question. How many videos from Computer Science Videos do you watch in a day? Let's just say 100. Click on vote, and the vote has now been made. If I minimize Safari for the moment, now let's go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome, right click, reload the page, and there we have one vote. Let's just go to result, and there we go. An individual watches my YouTube channel 100 videos a day. So we can now quit Google Chrome, right click on Safari and quit. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.